Are you looking for the best Chinese drone under $100? In this video, we will look at some of the best Chinese drone under $100 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. A 22 Pro Max GPS drone. Experience the excitement of limitless exploration with the A22 Pro Max GPS drone professional 360-degree obstacle avoidance brushless 8K high-definition dual camera with screen 5G Wi-Fi FPV drone RC quadcopter. Designed for those who crave adventure and precision, this masterpiece captures breathtaking details from heights that feel almost unreal. Every flight becomes a journey of discovery, where technology and creativity meet to create cinematic beauty in the sky. Its powerful brushless motor ensures stability, even in challenging weather, giving you the confidence to fly freely. The advanced GPS positioning system guides your path with accuracy, while the dual high-definition camera paints every frame with lifelike clarity. Whether it is for professional videography or pure recreation, this drone transforms ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. The smooth flight control and real-time image transmission allow you to witness the world from a new perspective, turning each flight into an unforgettable experience. Crafted for dreamers and innovators, the A22 Pro Max GPS drone opens a door to imagination that never closes. Let your passion for flight and beauty rise beyond boundaries, because this is not just a drone, it is your gateway to the sky. Number 2. Tccicadas V304 Drone. Feel the thrill of effortless flight with the Tccicadas V304 Drone large-screen foldable GPS return Wi-Fi FPV remote control quadcopter 8K optical flow hover smart obstacle avoidance RC drone. Every journey becomes an extraordinary experience as it captures life from angles your eyes could never reach. This intelligent creation brings emotion and precision together, giving you breathtaking aerial views that touch the soul. With smooth control and powerful stability, it glides through the air like poetry in motion, creating visuals that stay in memory forever. Each flight unfolds with elegance and accuracy, turning everyday scenes into cinematic moments. Whether exploring new landscapes or documenting your adventures, this drone brings life to every frame with stunning clarity and depth. Its sleek, foldable structure and advanced hovering ability let you focus on creativity without worry. Designed to connect technology with human emotion, the Tccicadas V304 drone redefines how you see the sky. It is not just about flying. It is about feeling free, alive, and connected to every moment above the ground. Let your imagination rise higher and create stories that belong only to you, because every takeoff begins a new vision of wonder. Number 3. S-X1 Quadcopter Drone. The new S-X1 Quadcopter Drone 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, with electronic image stabilization, 5G GPS Pro aerial photo gift with foldable design brings an experience that awakens your creative soul. Every flight feels like painting the sky with emotion, letting you see the world from a perspective that captures both power and beauty. Its precise motion and steady balance create an elegant harmony between innovation and imagination, turning moments into breathtaking visuals that tell their own story. This drone carries more than technology, it carries inspiration. Each frame it captures feels alive, filled with detail and feeling that spark wonder. Whether you wish to record unforgettable adventures or simply witness the freedom of the open air, it becomes your companion in discovery. Its smooth flight and advanced balance system allow even first-time users to feel confident and in control, transforming the simple act of flying into an art form. The new S-X1 Quadcopter Drone represents more than modern engineering. It symbolizes a connection between passion and performance. Let it lift your vision beyond the ordinary, revealing a world where creativity meets precision, and every journey becomes a memory that lasts forever.